Once upon a time, nestled amidst the rugged hills of central India, stood the magnificent Gwalior Fort, a sentinel of history and a custodian of ancient tales. Beyond its towering walls and imposing gates, a hidden realm of magic and secrets lay dormant, waiting to be unveiled. Legend has it that centuries ago, a mystical sage inhabited the fort. Possessing extraordinary powers and knowledge of ancient arts, he wove enchantments and spells, cloaking the fort in an ethereal aura. These mystical energies guarded the fort, protecting it from invasions and preserving its secrets within. Amongst the secrets held within the fort was a hidden chamber, accessible only to those pure of heart and destined to uncover its mysteries. It was said that within this chamber, a fabled book of spells lay dormant, imbued with the power to grant one's deepest desires. Within the labyrinthine corridors and hidden chambers of the fort, whispers of forgotten treasures and untold stories echoed. It was said that one moonlit night every century, the fort came alive with shimmering lights, as the spirits of its ancient rulers reveled in a grand celebration, inviting mortals into their mystical world. Throughout the ages, brave adventurers and curious souls sought the fort's secrets, but only a select few were chosen by the spirits to unlock its magic. These chosen ones discovered hidden passageways, deciphered ancient scripts, and solved enigmatic riddles, gradually unraveling the fort's rich tapestry of wonder. But with great power comes great responsibility. The fort's enchantments were not to be taken lightly, and those who delved too deep or sought to exploit its magic faced dire consequences. The fort's spirits, protectors of its ancient wisdom, ensured that only the pure of heart were granted access, while the unworthy were met with illusions and trials to test their intentions. Today, the Gwalior Fort stands as a testament to the magic and secrets woven into its very fabric. Visitors can explore its grand architecture, immerse themselves in its rich history, and perhaps catch a glimpse of the mystical energies that still dance within its walls. The untold story of the Gwalior Fort serves as a reminder that there is more to history than meets the eye, and that some secrets are meant to be preserved in the realms of magic and wonder. It beckons to the adventurers and dreamers, inviting them to unlock its mysteries and discover the hidden enchantments that lie within.